You have entrance. You have a nice big living area with nice big windows, nice and bright. There's no light on over here, but yet it's very bright in here. You can see back where we came in. Right here you have your mechanicals. You have a laundry area that's nice and spacious. You have the garage, which is full of some things, but it's a 1-car garage and has room for storage. Let me take you through there real quick. Okay. Then you come out to a hallway that leads to the kitchen area. Great cake from a bakery locally here in Toms River. You have a nice open living family area right here. Room for an eat-in kitchen, table, chairs. Let me go in and show you the bedrooms. Okay, well, first we're gonna do the primary. Huge. It has a walk-in closet. It has 2 sinks. This is an area right here, which I think you could probably even expand your closet if you wanted to. You don't necessarily need this sink here. You have a full bath right here. Great condition. Maybe make it a bigger bathroom. I don't know, but it's space that you have to do what you want with. Then you have a full bath right here. You could put a double sink in there if you needed. There's a linen closet, another great size bathroom, and then even the guest room / second bedroom. 2 huge closets, nice and bright. Everything has a nice flow. It's all on one level. I'm going to take you outside to the back property. This is where the back property connects to the golf course back here. So if you love to golf, you're right here on the course. Similar homes in the neighborhood are right over here. Well, they've done some things on the outside. This one put an all-season room in. You'd have to check with the association as far as what you can and can't do. But for the most part, it is a great size home for someone looking to possibly downsize or get a house down in the South Jersey area. I'm going to zoom in right to my contact info, and if you need more information, let me know. Thank you.